We have started our journey at 1985 in a small office. Today we are settled on a 10,000 square meter production facility with a qualified working force, more than 100%, which we call it our family. Growing is not a result, it's a continuum. And as Haksever family, we carry forward this process. We have an export-oriented production line, as we export our 85% of our production. Our customers are well-known global brands, spread the whole world, and also globally well-known Turkish brands. As we know success based on many facts, underlying secret of our success is continuously investing in our business, keep going developing. We are leader of this sector with a huge production capacity, with a big production line, as well as we have the technology of producing machinery, and we are producing machinery. We really believe to the power of our own country's quality and power for producing, so we give big importance for 100% Turkish-made production. We are exporting our own brand, 100% Turkish production machines, to especially Europe and whole world. We integrate 33 years experience to our business, yet we are working with the ambition of first day of our business. We would like to thank all our customers, suppliers, and our valuable team members for creating this value and making us esteemed and reliable company in this sector. Of course, we will still keep up our hard work with a determination for our country, industry, and our people.